Hey everyone, welcome back. Sal the Investor here, back at it again. Another day, another dollar, another day in the markets, and it's going crazy. With that saying, like and subscribe, follow me on Twitter. Remember, I'm a broker, not a financial advisor. I am a broker. But like and follow me on Twitter, TikTok, follow me on Twitter. I do post my buys on Twitter and TikTok. But thank you guys, and with this, I just want to say the market's kind of crazy as I walk around my office at my moving company. Just, a nice crazy day here in Arkansas. Wonderful rainy day, finally, no heat. So I'm walking around here and just kind of taking a break from being in the office for 5 hours. But taking a look at XRP, price is holding steady. Not sure yet if I'm going to put more money into it, but we're going to let it drop a little bit. Let that sucker drop. If it does get down to back under 30 cents or around 30 cents, we'll probably start dollar cost averaging in. That'd be what I would recommend we do. Also, I'm also taking a look at quant, making sure if it falls below 100, I buy. This is how it doesn't matter where it goes, I buy. If it falls again, we buy more. That's how dollar cost averaging works. Right now it's kind of crazy because we are in a recession. Although this the car market's about to blow up. I mean in a bad way. But if you're looking to get a nice luxury car for cheap, that'd be a good way to go. But if that breaks, repossessions are up something like 400% on luxury vehicles, about 115% on standard sedans and vehicles. I know pickup trucks have gone up about 148% on repossessions. So I'm going to pick up a couple trucks for my moving company. They've dropped substantially. We talking box trucks used to be almost $100,000 used, and now they're going for 15. So a bubble's about to burst. I'm about to pick up a rental property for $50K in my area, freaking brand spanking new. Don't know why it's $50K. Real estate agent confirmed it. Going to get that buy right now. So as you can see, this is the time where you want to be making moves. When the recession hits, you really, really want to be making some moves on this and getting it done, because you don't want to be spending when you're buying everything at top dollar. And that seems to be what everybody does. And the common flaw with all retail investors is you're buying at the top instead of selling at the top. So now I'm going to try and do my best here to show you what I'm doing and see how fast we can grow off of just buying in the dips in the hardest sessions. But here we are. And it's crazy. Like I'm watching houses that last year went for like high 400s to low 500,000s in the area. Now they're like 285. So like, it's hard to say because there's a lot of smart money still going around. They're not in trouble. There's not a lot of predatory lending, but there's a lot of people that made stupid decisions off following all these real estate gurus, all these make it to a millionaire in 3 months, quit your 9 to 5, all this other stuff. And let me tell you something about running a business. Let me tell you something about building this. This shit is hard. It is hard. I'm right here. I'm stressed the hell out. I'm walking around and we're making money. And I'm still stressed. Got employees that think that after 3 months in the job, they know what they're doing. They can, and it's like, these guys can leave. It's like, every time it's like, you guys have not even done this. I've been in the moving industry for almost damn near 15 years. And 4 of it, I was running my own company. You just got into the moving industry. Anyway, that's another story. But it's like, there's a lot of people that went and started the business. I can tell you, I got at least 1,400 applications. And I pay starting $49,000, $49,850 a year to be a moving helper. We move high-end clients, pianos, all that fun stuff, right? I'm getting a crap ton fortunately, I woke up today to 100 applications. Now I operate 5 states, but 100 applications. Last year, I may only have gotten 10. Why? I'll tell you this, 80% of those have said they started their own business and have failed. Why? Because you forgot the golden rule. You got to give 110% for who you work for if you're ever going to give 100% for yourself. Before I started this, I was working 4 a.m. to 10 p.m. 7 days a week for someone else and built their business up to an eight-figure business. Not 7-figure, not even the low 8 figures. We're talking $50-60 million in 2 years. That's what I did before I started this. I got paid well for it. I made my money for that. Out here, all you people sitting here, I became a millionaire from working 9 to 5, as you quote and say it, and then I started my own business. And yeah, it was rough. I did not pay myself for 3 years. Now I'm finally starting to pay myself back, have all the money, come back. I'm starting to be able to buy rental properties, look into certain things, and build and grow. Let me tell you something. This recession it's a recession. We've been in it for the entire year, but I have a strong feeling we're going to hit a depression because we got a lot of young people, a lot of millennials, a lot of craziness going on, and these millennials do not understand hard work. I'm telling you, I hire them. They do not understand it. So I'm just going to let them fail and pick up the pieces. And when you fail, and I own everything, you will be upset. I'm a Gen Xer. I was born in the early 80s. When the 90s came around, I was already 8 years old. So I know I look young, but I got a lot of experience behind this. But what I can say is that this is going to be a rough 2 years for a lot of people, but it isn't going to be rough for me. You know why? Because I already know I can put in 18, 19-hour days for someone else. I could put 24 hours in for myself. I will not sleep. I will do whatever it takes to get to where I got to be. Good news, though. I put an order in for 2 new cars. And now I'm in the position where price don't matter. And I can tell you right now, hopefully we'll be able to film it. I have to talk to the dealership. But I bought one of the new BMW the i4 plug-in. I really wanted the i8, but they don't make it anymore, so I bought an i4. And I bought my dream car, but that's like 3 years away. 3 years away. And I'm like 5,000. I'm number 5,072. So I'm not even care. I paid my deposit, and I'll be paying another deposit in another year. But kind of set that goal that I want to get that ahead. And it's kind of crazy how this market in the world's going. And I will say this: I finally truly understand money and its power to help you become free. Just recently, maybe in the last year, because while everybody's worrying, I finally, for once in my life, I'm not worried about the economy. I'm not worried about anything. I view this as a great opportunity to double my wealth. As a matter of fact, I would even think I could hit 9 figures in 2 to 3 years if I keep hustling the way I'm hustling. I say hustling because that's just the era I'm in, but if I keep working hard and I keep staying driven and doing the things I need to do, after that, the only thing I need to do is keep losing weight. You know, I was a big guy. I was 500 pounds. Actually, I was only 500 pounds. That's where the scale stopped. I legitimately needed a livestock scale. Never again. Nope. Gonna get that shit. I work out as much as I can. You know, I try not to stress eat. That's my big thing, and I'm getting it down there. But, you know, this is just one of my rants. One of my videos that we rant at, and it sucks. So I'm walking around here because I got to keep my body moving. I don't want to sit in the office and get even bigger, counterintuitive to what I'm doing. But like I said, there's a lot of, over the last 2 years, there's just so many people. They're trying to get rich quick. And it took me 20 years to even get to this point. And I just feel like it took 20 years of hard work to get there. I don't know what else to say for you guys. It didn't happen overnight, but it took making the smart decisions, making the right moves, and ignoring some stupidity along the way. Yeah, I'll say this. I don't have a lot of friends. I have a lot of colleagues, but I don't have a lot of friends. That's okay. Because I don't need a lot of friends doing nothing. I need to keep moving forward. And yes, people who didn't move forward with me fell behind. What can I say? With that said, guys, stay focused. Like and subscribe. Get me to 100 subscribers on here. Really appreciate it. Hopefully I'll have some really good videos for you guys down the road. I want to do one about Robinhood. I want to do one about Uphold. I want to do one about my moving business and everything. So stay focused, stay tuned. We're going to make it. And if you keep your eyes on the goal, you will make it. Thanks, guys. Like and subscribe.